Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best caulking gun to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Caulking Gun. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Bates Caulking Gun. With a thrust ratio of 10:1, this caulking gun is great for thinner sealants like acrylic, latex, and silicone. Despite its affordable price, it surprisingly provides ease of use, a fairly clean finish, and doesn't require too much effort pushing. It's ideal for sealing cracks and gaps and for various fixes around the home. If extremely precise lines are of the utmost importance, however, this may not be the best option. Smooth pressure rod for less force required. Provides smooth action and precise application. Professional grade high thrust ratio caulk gun. One reviewer used this to seal their skylight and wrote, "It was great for popping open and breaking the seal on my Loctite bottle. Hidden under the front of the gun is a little piece used for breaking the foil seals on caulk and the like. A cheap and effective tool that makes doing the job much easier. Cut bottles at an angle for a smoother output." Number 2. Red Devil 3989 9 inches Extreme Duty Caulk Gun. The 26:1 ratio on this caulking gun makes it a breeze to power through thick, not so viscous sealants and materials. This is another option with a puncture tool and hook, and its drip-free technology keeps oozing at bay. Whether there are multiple house renovations lined up or caulking is a frequent part of the job, this is a solid option in terms of a more basic caulking gun without crossing over into corded or cordless territory. The trigger also has a rubber grip to help with fatigue and provide a more comfortable hold. "I've bought so many caulking guns," began one reviewer, a remodeling contractor. "I always buy the most expensive ones I can find, because I want one that will crush stiff adhesives out of the tube without slipping, but mostly they all suck. This gun will definitely push anything with ease." Number 3. Solid Work Drip-Free Caulk Gun. For a heftier thrust ratio, 24:1 to be exact, and a sharp finish, this caulking gun from Solid Work isn't a bad idea. The increase in price accounts for a cleaner process, a hook for accessibility, and a puncture tool. The thrust ratio not only helps with applying thicker materials, but it makes the user experience more comfortable and prevents hand fatigue. Even for people who don't back themselves on clean lines and a mess-free caulking task, Solid Works version nearly guarantees it. The gun also allows for removing the caulk tube and saving it for later if needed. "I'm used to using caulkers where you have to use both hands and the will of a celestial being to get caulk to come out," wrote one shopper. "I'm not kidding when I say my 4-year-old niece could use this one-handed. It squeezes so effortlessly. This is the one you want. Spare yourself the hassle of a cheaper one." Number 4. Albion Engineering Company Caulking Gun. The high thrust ratio, 26:1, on this best caulk gun from Albion Engineering Company makes it easy to crush through sealants, even the thickest ones. Its key features include a rotatable cradle, a hook, a puncture tool, and an adjustment screw to increase the life of the gun, which all result in quality caulking. The brand also has guns available in cordless styles for even more power and ease. It has a comfortable grip, too, and even some reviewers with arthritis and reduced mobility reported that they had no problem with using it. "I do enough caulking to know a $10 gun isn't going to last," explained one buyer, who was recommended this model by a professional caulker. "I caulk a lot of masonry control joints for my job, and that is why I purchased this particular model. The ratio on this unit will make the job easier on the hand, especially applying materials in colder temperatures." Number 5. Red Devil 3986 Skeleton 9 inches Caulk Gun. This caulking gun from Red Devil works a treat with lighter sealants thanks to its thrust ratio of 10:1. 10:1 thrust ratio, ideal for extruding light to medium viscosity materials. Rather than taking the same cylindrical shape as the tube of caulk it holds, the frame lies flat, which saves on space. Its hex rod pushes materials through efficiently and doesn't lead to too much dripping. Despite it not having all the bells and whistles, like a puncture tool or spout cutter, it still has some avid fans. "I work in the glass and window industry every day, and a decent caulking gun is a must," wrote a buyer. "These have become my go-to guns even though the shop has many higher-end guns to choose from. We push silicone and paintable caulk all day, and this gun is super smooth for the money." Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.